Now the next very important topic is interconversion of matter. The definition of this important term is the phenomenon of change from one state to the other and then back to the original state is called interconversion of state of matter. Matter can be changed from one state to another by change in temperature or pressure. Now we can easily explain this by taking the example of the three states of water. Okay, so the solid state of water, that is ice, can be changed into the liquid state of water, that is water, by heating, or we can say by rising the temperature. And the liquid state, that is water, can be changed into the gaseous state, that is water vapors, again by heating, that is again by increasing the temperature. Now if we want to change the gaseous state, that is water vapors, back into water, so here we have to decrease the temperature. It means we have to cool the matter, the state of matter, that is gaseous state. So by cooling or just by decreasing the temperature, we can change the gaseous state into liquid state. Then again, if we want to change the liquid state, that is water, back into ice, we have to cool it. That means we have to again decrease the temperature. So just by increasing or decreasing the temperature, we can easily change the different states of matter, right? Now there are some important definitions which are given on page number 6 of chapter number 1, and these definitions are: the first definition is melting, which is also known as fusion. So the conversion of a substance on heating from solid state to liquid state is called melting. Okay, vaporization. Vaporization is the conversion of a substance on heating from liquid state to vapor state. Okay, liquefaction, which is also known as condensation. The conversion of a substance on cooling from vapor state to liquid state is called condensation. Solidification, which is also known as freezing. The conversion of a substance on cooling from liquid state to solid state is called freezing or solidification. So here, and these are some certain important definitions which you have to learn, and then you have to complete your assignment, which is hereby attached with this audio. Okay, so complete your assignment in your fair copy.